In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build something in After Effects that looks like this. Okay, so that's a movie indent, and what an indent is something that comes before as an introduction piece before a movie. That's usually like a production company intro, or it's like a distribution company intro or something like that, right? But what we're going to talk about in this is, like, you can see that we're going to talk about how to animate text, and there's also something else that you might notice about this is that you're seeing video through the text. So we're going to talk about how we can use a stencil to create a mask on the text, as well as adding some effects to the text. You can see in some of the places that we've got glow and drop shadow applied to give it a little bit more dimension. And then there's also audio layers, many audio layers in this to create the rich sound that it has. And you'll also see that there's some rain and these raindrops in here. That's not part of the video. It's actually something that we create in After Effects using solids. So anyway, we're going to get through this and talk about transitions and all sorts of fun stuff, okay? And let's get started.